Hey friends, how you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. I'm having a bit of a tough time. I think I told you guys that my dad is a little sick in the States. So it's been hard. Um, so I've been struggling a little bit, communicating with family back in the States and just trying to take care of situations from 8,000 miles away. So I'm just going to take a personal day today and take the day off and hopefully recuperate, get some things done, and, do some things good for my mental health. I can't emphasize enough that with virtual school and non virtual school and assignments and homework, you need to do things for your mental health too. So take care of yourself and just kind of relax today. Let me give you the instructions of what we're working on. So I am going to open my screen to our website, and you remember this website, and I know you love it. So we're going to scroll all the way down here. We started this design project, right? And we said we are going to work on a design project. We're going to build something for your home. Well, we're drawing that to a close now. So here are some of those initial sketches I did as an example and some instructions you've seen before, some questions you've answered, a checklist for your website, and lots of cool stuff. So hopefully you've finalized your design and you've kind of reached a good place, at least for the moment, and that's okay. So what I want you to do is the instructions that are here. I want you to continue working on your video. Your video should have 5 sections. It should have an introduction. In your introduction, you should discuss the problem, specifically the problem and the problem sentence. If you remember my problem, that was I had a really messy work area and I needed to build something to keep some things organized. So the problem was Mr. Bycraft had a messy work area. The problem sentence was Mr. Bycraft has a messy work area and needs to build a paintbrush holder to keep his paintbrushes organized. Right? Problem sentences are a little more specific, stating what the problem is, who's it for, and how it's going to be solved. Okay? I also want you to show your initial designs and sketches. You should do a screencast, kind of like the one I'm doing now, and you can do that with your Mac if you just do Command-Shift-5. That records your screen. You can go to Tinkercad and you can show off your first design. Talk about it. Here's what your problem was, here's how you thought you might solve it. For the third step, I thought you would talk about the feedback. I asked you to get feedback from somebody. Maybe it was me, maybe it was who you were building it for, maybe it was a peer. So talk about that feedback, who you did, who you talked to, who that was from, and then talk about, for the fourth part, how your design changed. Show the new versions. Go back into Tinkercad and show me. Now remember, your video shouldn't just be you talking into a screen for 5 minutes. That's kind of boring, right? So edit a couple pieces. Take some video of you going through Tinkercad, answering number 2 and number 4, and then kind of put those together. You can do a voiceover, you can do it however you want. And then finally, summarize and reflect. Show your final design, show what you built. I know we didn't print these out 3D, which is too bad, but that's okay. Engineers all the time talk about designs without having designs finished and walk people through CAD and kind of show them. So just show you, here's my final design, here's what I think, right? Stuff like that. Also answer these 4 questions. What did you like about this project? What is something that could be improved about this project? What else could be improved about your design? And then why is feedback important in the design cycle? You can make this an iMovie, however you want. These 2 questions, right? What did you like? What did you dislike? Or what could be improved? Those are relevant questions, and I'd like your honest feedback. So give those to me. I realize that some of these things that could be improved are that this was done virtually. And I get that too. So you can talk about that, but don't let that be the only thing. We want to focus on what other things we could change. That's unfortunately not something we could change. I'm going to post this video down here in a second once I finish it, but here's the stuff I just told you. Remember, these are due Friday. So your day today is a work day. Record your video, finalize your designs, talk about these things, and hopefully get it close to done so you can turn it in on Friday and not worry about it anymore. Okay? Hopefully that's good enough for you guys, and hope you're doing well and having a great day. Be sure to take care of yourself and just kind of relax and try to have a great day. It's beautiful out. It's fall, so have a great day for me and make some awesome videos. I'd love to see the work you've done. All right, guys. Bye.